Okay, guys, good evening. Happy New Year and compliment of the season. Welcome to 2025. I pray that this is going to be good for us. Okay, without wasting much of you guys, let's talk about today's business. Actually, during this festivity period, I actually made up my mind that I'm going to be trading only Bitcoin, strictly Bitcoin. Okay, I just want to, because as you guys can know, festivity period, there is always a spread in the forex market and coupled with events, chance of events. So the market is highly volatile. So because of that, I choose to trade only Bitcoin because crypto doesn't close no matter what. So these are the few trades I took. I incurred some losses, I incurred some profit, and today I just want to review all the trades I took so far, and let's see the ones I won, the reason why it was success, and the ones I lost, and the reason why I lost them. Okay. So without wasting much of your time, let's get on to business. This is the first trade I took on Bitcoin, and this trade was taken on Monday, 23rd of December. On Monday, 23rd of December, I took short on Bitcoin, and as you guys can see, this if you look at Bitcoin right here, you will see this channel. I do this channel here, and I was just trading between this channel. Okay. Now, first and foremost, it came up here and made this, as you can see, this beautiful double bottom here. Sorry, double top here. That was where I took it from. He made this beautiful double top here, and what I did was just like I told you guys, we made the first. This is what I mean here. He made this first. He retest this channel, the top here, and I was expecting either he broke out or retest and start going back. And when he tested it, mark. I took my this thing. I took the rectangle. I marked the beginning of the close of the candle to the week of the candle. And I extended it and watched it. The market is gonna come back into that zone. And lo and behold, as you guys can see, the market actually came back into our zone. It tapped in here, then followed by an engulfing candle. This is an engulfing candle here. So we open our short, and I just like I told you guys, my strategy for trading this technical trade is just very simple. My stop loss is always above the previous high, which is here. This is the previous highest candle here, the week here. Then my take profit is always at the closing of either the week, that is the week of the candle, which is here. Take it week here, in here, or you can take it at the closing of this candle, which is exactly here. This is what I mean here. You can either take your profit here at the closing of the body of the candle, that is the lower low, or at the week. This is the week here. Okay. So just like you guys know, who would always take at the week will definitely make more money. But the thing is that some trade might not actually close here, just close here and reverse. So either of them, one of them will definitely play out. Okay. So I said take my profit at this particular spot, at this particular in between this candle, which is here. And lo and behold, it was a success. As you guys can see, I took the first trade. This was the first trade we took on Monday. Fast forward to Tuesday, which was on 24th, actually, we took this trade. Still in the same channel. We are still in the same channel, and it came up here. It was able to test the upper end of the channel. It came between here and it made a beautiful double bottom. This is what I mean by here. Look at this, and this is actually a chart pattern on YouTube. Though the chart pattern is very small, but this is a beautiful chart pattern. Look at the chart pattern here. This is an ascending triangle. Look at it very well. This is it ascending triangle or center? What they call it? This is ascending triangle. This is it here. So this is ascending triangle. As you guys can see. This is a chart pattern inside the channel we are trading. So what do? I took my trading tool. I took my trading tool and I mark, like I told you guys, same strategy that I trade no matter what. Across all pace, same strategy. I marked the week of this and I extended it. And as you guys can see, it came here and it just tapped into it, followed by an engulfing candle. This is an engulfing candle here. So we took our long here, and our take profit was supposed to be at this place actually, but being the fact that this is Bitcoin, is just recently broke out of this channel. I'm expecting it to go somewhere higher. As you can see, it actually went high, so I put my take profit up here. Understand? Which actually seems as if I did not even take anything. Because at the end of this trade, I feel bad. I feel very bad because I've taken more than a of what I actually took. Actually, so Bitcoin successfully came into this zone. I was actually targeting and got not going up. This was the thing I'm talking about here. As you can see here, it broke. It gave me my take profit. Went high up to this point. Okay. Then fast forward to that, this was on Tuesday trade. We took another trade again. That should be on 20. We took another trade again. That should be on 25th again. It was more like one day, one trade. Same, still the same strategy again. This is an OTG region. This is this point I marked. I see it's an OTG region. So I look at this point. You see that this point has actually been retested over time. This is the point I'm talking about. We have a high here, but we also have another point down here. This was the point I'm talking about. So this point now has actually been retested over the time. And when it broke it out, as you can see, it broke out with this candle, broke out, it still come down to confirm it before it went up again. So what do I do? When he gave me this week and marked it, extended it to this upside, as you can see. I told you guys I extended it, and what happened? It came into here, gave me this tapping, that is this week tapping, and it gave me this engulfing candle. I took my log on this engulfing candle, and I put my take profit up here. I placed my take profit. No, I did not take it up here. I placed my take profit in between. This was where I wanted to put my take profit here, but I looked at it. I don't want to what happened before to happen. As you guys know, this was supposed to be the take profit. This was actually supposed to be the take profit at this point. I told you guys either the lower low, the previous low before the double bottom, or the previous high. So this was supposed to be the take profit, but I don't want what happened here to happen. So that was why I have to extend it in between this closing of this body candle, and here I took it halfway between them. That was why I was able to get to this point I get to, and lo and behold, the market just came and hit our take profit before it now came down and started ranging down. So after then, the next trade again we took, this was on 25th, and next trade again we took was on 26th. So on the 23rd, 24th, and 25th was a success. Actually, we won the trade back to back. Then while on 24th, on 26th, we had a loss actually, and this was the loss. Anyways, it's actually made another channel again. As you can see, it's still making another channel again. Even though the channel wasn't that clean, because it's actually broken above it, it's still making another channel, and so we were able to mark out the channel. And what happened? It broke this trend line, went up here, came into this zone, and it gave us an engulfing candle. Let me zoom in so I can see what I'm talking about. It came here, it went up, it gave us another one. This is actually a double bottom. If you look at it clearly, this is actually a double bottom. Look at it with an RSI over sold with RSI divergence at the same time altogether. So what do? Like I told you guys, same thing we do. We don't do anything different, just same thing. We took our candlestick, we took our rectangular tool, we do it and we extended it to wait for it to come into that zone anyways. So I actually took my trade here at this point. It tapped into it, I took my trade. What happened? The market first at most came into this zone. It went up to this point. It came back. It mitigated this point again. Came down, but it was unable to hit our percent. It went up. This trade actually gave us three to risk of 3-1, but would not take it out. Actually, ROI should be around at 5-1. So it went up to this point. It came back to the SL again. Remember, I told you guys the way I trade, take profit or stop loss. I don't close my trade in between the line. What I mean between, like, I don't close manually. I just have to hit my take over stop loss. Because I actually put this thing on my TikTok, and people were criticizing that I just get out of this point, even if you gave me all the good information I should get out. But this is what I indicated that this I my trade, to me trading is a marathon at this point. I'm tend to build a career around trading. So attitude matters. I try to be the better too. It is better I take the stop loss today and tomorrow I take profit, and I try to cut my losses and to end up messing me up, and tomorrow I'll end up not being able to get to the height I really wish to get to. So it came up to this point again before it hit our stop loss. And made it hit our stop loss, what happened? It went up to hit our take profit. So as you can see, it just mitigated us here. When it hit our take profit. It was a very painful loss because it's it hit our stop loss and hit our take profit, which was very painful actually. I felt very bad about it. And that after then the next trade we took again was actually a win. That was on that first, we didn't take another trade on Bitcoin again. It didn't give us any other entry reason. So it didn't give us any other trading reason. As you guys can see, there was no double top around this area that was previous. Just a consolidation. Before it came to this zone, it made this point here and gave us this particular point again, which was what we traded. Look at it here. The same channel we are talking about. Instead making, we wanted to break out of the channel. It came here again with this engulfing candle, it broke out of it. Came back to retest it for it to continue. So when it came back, it's about to make another channel. So we extend our trend line below and we shoot it. This is how I do my trend line. How I do my channels. I just once I mark the spot here, I just put Control C and I will extend it upwards. When I extended it upwards, this was the point I extended it upwards to the point here, as you can see. So and I watch the chart do what you want to do in between this line. So it came here as you guys can see clearly. Let me clean this one side to clear for you to see it here. So it came into this zone, it tapped into this zone. What do we have? We have a second tapping on the edge of the channel. You can see it's the chart was actually going around the channel. So it's give me a second one, which was under enter. I took my long position, stop loss below the lower low, which was this low, because this is the reason why we are taking this trade, not this one. If it had indicated us here, I would have just come down to this point. But I wouldn't have taken this one because here gave me a double bottom, but here was a breakout and come. So I wouldn't have more confidence to take this particular one. So it's just like I told you guys, my take profit is always at the closing of the previous high, which is here. This was supposed to be our take profit up here. So, but just like I told you guys, I don't want to leave a lot on the table. So what I did was in between this, the wick of the candle and the closing of the body, I put my take profit in between the two of them, and as you can see, it actually hit my take profit and continue rallying up until it gets to hit this channel at this point. Now give this second trade, this second one here. Though yes, I did not take this trade, I don't know that I didn't take it. I don't know why. No, I feel bad actually. I didn't take it. But people ask, was there any double bottom here? Sorry, double top here. There was. As you can see, when you hit this channel here, at the top side of this channel, look at it very well. You see that, which was, this is what I'm talking about here. It hit this channel. What do? We take our rectangular, this thing, we mark from here and take it up here, and we extend it. Now, what do we see? We saw something that went down here, isn't it? Now come up, and there was a tapping into that zone with followed by an engulfing candle. So entry is supposed to be at this engulfing candle, stop loss supposed to be at the week, which was the high. Then take profit is the low, previous low, which is this is the previous low here, which was here, but I brought it down to the week because of the low was so that I will have a higher risk to reward because at least 1 to 2 risk to reward, which was that was why I brought it down to this point. And you can see this one was a success. And the next trade was the one we took today. No, the one we took yesterday, sorry, not today. Yesterday being first, we took this trade, and it was a very painful one. And as you guys can see, it was a very painful one. Something that happened earlier on happened again. If I extend it very well. Now look at it now. Something that happened earlier on, it came here. Um, this was under system channel. I was expecting it to bounce around the channel and continue going up, like something like that. I was expecting something like this to happen. This is what I mean by something like this. I was expecting something like this to happen. When it came to this point, bounce, make this point, like after this double top, make another bounce and start going up. Yeah. But unfortunately, what I was expecting was not what happened. So I wouldn't have taken this trade actually, but I end up taking this trade out of, let's say, is it FOMO? The word, I think I used the word FOMO. Like I simulated in my head and I took it and I end up regretting it. Because as you can see, it bounced around this trend line, but it did not give us any entry. When it bounced around this trend, there was no engulfing candle. This green candle was not an engulfing candle. So I decided to take it here, thinking that it's going to continue. Unfortunately, it did not. It would have, I would have feel more comfortable taking this trade if I had an engulfing candle around this region. And what happened? It's range broke up below it, hit our stop loss, as you can see, and continue. Now start going up, obviously, and neither after hitting our stop loss, it went up and smashed the take profit, which was very painful, a painful experience. The same kind of stop loss that happened earlier on was the same type of stop loss that happened on this one, and it was a very painful experience anyways. So this is the trade I took on Bitcoin today, and I felt bad about it. No lies, I really feel bad about it, and I lost. I lost. So, sorry, I took on Bitcoin yesterday. So on today, I decided to trade gold. Being the fact that market opened today, I decided to trade gold, and I also lost to gold today. So it was like a back-to-back loss. I lost to Bitcoin yesterday, and I lost to gold today. This is the gold I traded today. Same strategy, same setup, same everything. There was no difference. Within the same channel, as you can see. And I'm trading 15 hours, 15 minute candle. But that was the same making this channel, as you can see. And when it's the mistake I made was, remember I told you guys, it not first of all, this thing would have been more quality if gold had tested, like if it had tested this previous high and do something like this, and I start going down. I would have been more quality. But unfortunately, it did not test it, and we took. Before I did not test it, just came here and give something like look like a double top, and came and give the second one here. So you guys can see it here. Look at it. You see that it gave the first here, came here, I give the second one. I got into it thinking because of this engulfing candle, it's going to break below the channel. And unfortunately, it failed to break below it, and now we lost. We lost this trade. Obviously, and as you can see, the trend actually continues, and it's been right around the channel. You can see, it has not actually broken to the channel. It has not actually broken to the channel on the downside. What I mean by broken to the channel is that it has a body close ball. It does not have a consecutive, like a successive closing, a subsequent candle below it. All the whole candle that close are the on the channel. In other words, if I stretch this channel down to this point here, as you can see, it still moves, and all of them has been within the channel. So all we have to do is just sit and put our hand and be watching and be watching good to give us that a breakout of this channel or a reason why it should break out of the channel. Otherwise, before we take this trade, we should let's say we extend this thing up to this point. This should be able to retest this top and give us the reason why it's breaking towards the downside. And this was what I ignored here, and that was why I lost it here. And also, that was actually what I was expecting to happen in Bitcoin, which did not happen, and I took that it happened and I ended up losing. So in other words, the two loss I took was actually my fault, actually, but I was able to see this because I was let's say, is it my eyes were covered with looking at the profit I could have made, and I end up losing losing it up. Anyways, but it's fine. It's fine. We just part of it, and we win, we lose, we accept it no matter what. So thank you for being with me. I really appreciate it. In case you just want to trade with me, you can also hit me up and where I will keep you updated on every single trade I take. And like I said, I'm still a young guy that's growing. We're all going together. I've no medical. So we win, we lose. We don't win all the time. We don't lose all the time, anyways. But the most important thing is that our wins are often more greater than our losses. And in this 2025, I hope that I pray and I hope it's gonna be better for us and we're gonna make more wins than more losses. So enjoy your week, enjoy your weekend that is coming, that is Saturday, and also enjoy the year. The year is unfolding. So but always prepare your mind to take risk and enjoy every part of it. Trading is supposed to be it's not supposed to be something that's supposed to force, it's supposed to be something like flow natural. Just sit and watch it happen. You don't have to force it. Okay. So I love you guys and do take care of yourself. Thank you. And if you have not subscribed to the channel, please do it to subscribe to the channel and also like it so I can get others. I love you guys.